Hi everybody, I'm designer Christiane Lemieux from New York, and I'm here today to do a room makeover in this beautiful Korean apartment. What I do is I look at the space, I make a 3D render, I get the client to approve it, and then we go ahead and do the makeover. What's really exciting is we're going to build it off this new fabric sofa trend that's big in Korea, so let's get started. I think one of the interesting things about this space is the beautiful view onto the river. And so when your guests come in, you want them to see that view. So what we can do is we can move this sofa around so that it faces the entrance, delineate the space with a rug, add some extra space on the coffee table for visitors. And then because we'll have the space sort of mapped out by the rug, we can add some chairs here for extra seating and bring in some wood elements in the sideboard and the other storage units. Hi everybody, I hope you like how the scene turned out. I think you can see from the render we did for the client to the end result how much more beautiful, open, and comfortable everybody will feel in the space. It's large because of the compo sofa. We've added 2 extra chairs for seating, made a lot more surface area with a coffee table. We added a rug to delineate the space, and everything flows beautifully right into the Han River. So I think this is a very beautiful example of a modern designed Korean apartment.